Today, I'm going to talk about FHA insurance. Stay tuned because at the end of the video, I'll share a list of tips and tricks when using FHA financing. I'm Kristen Stampini with RE/MAX Service, and this is Stamp TV. So let's get started. Getting a mortgage backed by the Federal Housing Administration can be a great deal. Down payments run as low as 3.5%, compared to maybe 20% in a conventional mortgage. So rates are lower too. You know, the bank knows that FHA will cover its losses if you happen to default on the mortgage. So you will, however, have to take out FHA private mortgage insurance and keep paying on it for quite a while during your payments. Most lenders require private mortgage insurance or PMI for conventional loans when the home buyer puts down less than 20%. The same goes for refinances with less than 20% equity. So all FHA loans have mortgage insurance regardless of the down payment amount. FHA mortgage insurance actually comes in two different parts. The first piece, the upfront mortgage insurance. So that premium, which equals 1.75% of the loan. So, for example, if you buy a home and the mortgage is $250,000, that's basically $4,375 premium upfront. The FHA gets the money at closing, but you don't pay that. Instead, the lender pays the FHA and adds the premium to your loan balance. So you continue paying the mortgage interest on the premium until you finally pay down the loan. And that's how it all works. In addition to the upfront premium, you'll pay a monthly premium that is added to your mortgage payments. This fee varies from basically 0.5% to 1% of the loan amount per year. So depending on the loan amount, the size of the down payment, the term, the number of years that the loan is financed for, that's what is all taken into consideration. So you can pay that premium at closing, you know, if you do have the cash, or you can roll it into the loan amount, which increases your monthly payment by a little bit every single month while you're paying that. Okay. So also FHA insurance versus PMI costs. Which costs less per month? FHA mortgage insurance or private mortgage insurance? The answer depends on your credit score. Basically, FHA monthly mortgage insurance payments are lower for borrowers with credit scores under 720, but monthly payments for PMI are slightly less for borrowers with credit scores of basically 720 to 740, and slightly less for borrowers with credit scores of 740 and higher. So it just really depends on your credit score. So removing mortgage insurance PMI may be canceled after you gain sufficient equity, usually about 20%. It's canceled automatically after your equity reaches 78% of the purchase price. So FHA mortgage insurance can't be canceled if you make a down payment of less than 10%. You get rid of FHA mortgage insurance payments by refinancing the mortgage into a non-FHA loan. When you put 10% or more down on an FHA loan, you pay mortgage insurance premiums for 11 years rather than the life of the loan. And that's really how it works. So getting a mortgage backed by Federal Housing Administration can be a great deal. Mortgage insurance premiums are a way for the FHA to provide home loans to those who can't afford large down payments. And the length of the time you pay them depends upon how much you put down. So hopefully with private mortgage insurance, you will be able to get a home. You know, usually the requirements on the appraisal provide your loan to value ratio to good enough to drop the insurance. That's bad news if your home's value have gone down a little bit. With FHA mortgage insurance, there's no appraisal. The FHA uses your original purchase price of the appraised value, and that's how they do it. So whichever is lower as the basis of the cutoff point. So basically, on a $250,000 mortgage, you could cancel your insurance when you'd pay the mortgage down to $195,000. So even if your home's value declines in the meantime, you're okay. Hopefully you got a couple points today, and thanks for tuning into my channel. I hope you liked the video. If so, basically make sure to put the thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the bell icon so you receive instant notifications weekly when I provide new videos to you every Tuesday. And if you would like an FHA checklist, leave a comment, reach out to me, and I would be glad to provide that to you. Thanks, and have a great day, everybody.